Okay, this is an interesting one because they're giving us different units. This says concrete can be purchased by the cubic yard, but then it says how much will it cost to pour a slab that's 18 feet by 18 feet by 4 inches for a patio if the concrete costs $41 per cubic yard. So let's do a little bit of conversions here. Okay, um, we can say that first of all, let's just keep it in feet, but let's imagine a cubic yard for a second. I'm going to do this down here on the bottom. Okay, here's a cubic yard. And of course, we could say dot, 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 for that back side right there. Okay. Now, what's the idea here? Well, if this is 1 yard on a side, that's the same as 3 feet. Right? A yard is 3 feet. And if you don't know that, then now you know. So that's 3 feet by this way is 3 feet. And of course, this is 3 feet. So if you want to know how many cubic feet were in a cubic yard, you would say, well, if 1 yard is 3 feet, then instead of 1 yard by 1 yard by 1 yard, we've got 3 feet by 3 feet by 3 feet. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. And so this thing has a volume of 27 cubic feet. Every 1 cubic yard, and concrete is purchased by the cubic yard, it costs $41 per cubic yard. Okay, we're going to figure out eventually by taking the number of cubic feet that we get, which is what they're giving us the measurements in, and we'll convert it to cubic yards by saying we got to divide it up into groups of 27. Each group of 27 is a cubic yard. So let's see. We've got, and I'm going to go back to feet. Okay. We also have inches in there, so I'll show you what to do there. We want to pour a slab that is 18 feet by 18 feet by 4 inches. And what we want to do is we want to convert inches into feet. Well, 4 is 1/3 of 12. 12 inches is a foot, right? So this is 1/3 of a foot. So I'm going to write here instead, I'm going to say 1/3 of a foot. That's what 4 inches is equal to, times 18 feet times, oops, times 18 feet. Sorry about that. Okay, so let's calculate this. We can say 18 times 18, then times 1/3, or divided by 3, is 108. Okay, so this whole thing, you're pouring a concrete slab that is 18 feet by 18 feet by 4 inches. And when you multiply all that together to get the volume of that, you find that it works out to be 108 cubic feet. Yeah? So if we want to convert that into cubic yards, we can say this. We can say 1 cubic yard, let me just kind of differentiate here. This is what we're working on. 1 cubic yard is 27 cubic feet. Those are equivalent, so that's like 1/1, like the exact same amount top and bottom. So now if we were to multiply this through, we can say, okay, we can see that feet cubed and feet cubed will cancel, leaving us just with the units of yards cubed, cubic yards, and 108 and 27 also cancels. This is 1, and this becomes 4. Those cancel like that. So we then have 4 cubic yards is exactly what the volume of that slab that you want to pour. It's exactly 4 cubic yards. Again, let's look up top. We did that by saying if it's 18 feet by 18 feet by 4 inches, then that's the same as 18 feet by 18 feet by 1/3 of a foot. 4 inches is exactly 1/3 of a foot, because there's 12 inches in a foot. Okay, and then when you multiply, now it's all in feet, so when you multiply it together, this times 1/3 is 108 cubic feet, and we want to convert that into cubic yards, and we've calculated down here that 27 cubic feet is the same as a cubic yard. So I use this conversion, canceled out there. We get 4 cubic yards. Well, if each cubic yard costs $41 and we're buying 4 of them, we need 4 of them, then we'll say, okay, what is $41 times 4? And we find that it's $164. Yep, that's how you do it. And where's that answer? That answer is right there with D. So you really need to change everything over into the same units. And of course, what we're dealing with down here is taking 1 cubic yard and saying, well, how many, on any particular side, how many feet is that? It's 3 feet on a side. You got 3 feet by 3 feet by 3 feet. 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. Yep, hope that made sense.